Cultural festivals you've never heard of but should experience. Regarding cultural travel, most people think of iconic festivals like Rio's Carnival, Oktoberfest, or India's Diwali. While these well-known events have undeniable appeal, the world is filled with lesser-known cultural festivals that can offer an equally, if not more, immersive experience. These unique celebrations are deeply rooted in tradition, history, and local pride, often providing a more intimate and authentic window into a culture. Here's a look at some of the most remarkable cultural festivals you've probably never heard of but should experience. Cultural festivals you've never heard of but should experience at a bus. On a dusty road, we are dedicated to embracing life as global citizens and believe strongly in the wealth of knowledge we can gain from the diverse and vibrant world around us. One of the best ways to immerse ourselves in new cultures and broaden our horizons is through experiencing cultural festivals. Nadam Festival, Mongolia. Timing: mid-July. Location: Ulaanbaatar, and across Mongolia. Why you should go. The Nadam Festival is often called the Three Games of Men, celebrating the country's unique heritage through three primary sports: wrestling, horse racing, and archery. Dating back to the time of Genghis Khan, this event showcases the prowess and competitive spirit deeply ingrained in Mongolian culture. Recently, the festival has become more inclusive, with women participating in archery and horse racing. What to expect? The opening ceremony in Ulaanbaatar's National Sports Stadium features traditional dance, music, and parades of people in elaborate, colorful Mongolian costumes. Outside the city, the festival becomes even more rustic, providing a glimpse into the nomadic lifestyle that has defined Mongolia for centuries. 2. Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta, USA. Timing: early October. Location: Albuquerque, New Mexico. Why you should go. While not entirely obscure, the Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta remains surprisingly under the radar for many international travelers. This 9-day event is the largest hot air balloon festival in the world, and an awe-inspiring celebration of color, innovation, and spectacle. What to expect? The festival's highlight is the mass ascension, when hundreds of balloons lift off at dawn, creating a breathtaking sky filled with vibrant shapes and hues. Nighttime events such as Glodio feature illuminated balloons, making the festival an enchanting experience from sunrise to sunset. 3. Jember Fashion Carnival, Indonesia. Timing: August. Location: Jember, East Java. Why you should go. For those who love the intersection of tradition and modern fashion, the Jember Fashion Carnival, JFC, offers a dazzling display. The parade mixes high fashion, avant-garde design, and traditional Indonesian cultural elements. What to expect? This event is far more than a simple parade. It's a multi-day festival that transforms the streets of Jember into a runway where participants showcase intricate, handmade costumes representing various themes, often inspired by Indonesian folklore, mythology, and national identity. Expect to see creations that could rival fashion houses' detail and creativity. 4. Tanah Toraja, Funeral Ceremony, Indonesia. Timing: throughout the year, depending on family circumstances. Location: Tanah Toraja, Sulawesi. Why you should go. The Tanah Toraja funeral ceremonies, known as Rambu Solo, are not your typical festivals, but are considered a pivotal cultural event in this region of Indonesia. These elaborate, multi-day rites are as much a celebration of life as they are a send-off for the departed. What to expect? These ceremonies can last for days and include rituals such as water buffalo sacrifices, traditional dances, and processions. Visitors are welcomed, but must show respect by wearing traditional clothing and adhering to local customs. The festival is an insight into how Torajan people perceive life, death, and the afterlife, reflecting their deep spiritual beliefs. 5. Up Heli A, Scotland. Timing: last Tuesday of January. Location: Lerwick, Shetland Islands. Why you should go. If you're intrigued by Norse mythology and Viking culture, Up Helly Ea in Scotland's Shetland Islands is a must-see. This festival marks the end of the Yule season and celebrates the region's Viking heritage. What to expect? The festival features a procession of costumed Vikings led by the Jarl, culminating in the dramatic burning of a specially constructed Viking longship. The event is known for its lively celebrations, singing, and the camaraderie that spills into local halls for traditional music and revelry. 6. Inti Raymi, Peru timing, June 24th. Location, Cusco. Why you should go. The Inti Raymi, or Festival of the Sun, is a traditional Andean celebration that honors Inti, the Incan sun god. While many travelers head to Cusco for Machu Picchu, few know that attending this festival offers a profound cultural experience that dates back to the 15th century. What to expect? Dancers and actors, dressed in elaborate costumes replicating Incan attire, reenact ancient ceremonies at Sacsayhuaman, a historic site just outside of Cusco. The event is filled with ritual dances, music, and a sense of reverence for the natural elements that sustain life in the Andes. If you want to learn more, you can learn more by visiting the link on the caption. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.